What did you find out about your ex-husband only after you got divorced? That he got two girlfriends at the same time during our marriage. My husband and I got married in our early 20s. I struggled during the first year of our marriage due to some childhood trauma related to my mother's death. I thought getting married early would fix that internal issue, but it got worse. Just 6 months of marriage, it was already falling apart. Throughout those times we were apart, my ex-husband joined Tinder and was sleeping with a few girls every week. He was going on dates too. Throughout our marriage, he was able to keep two girlfriends at the same time. None of them were able to track me because I never carried my husband's last name in my socials. Marriage lasted for 2.5 years. Just 3 months after getting divorced, I learned from a mutual friend that he had two girlfriends and told him that we were in an open relationship. He also told me that he married one of his girlfriends, and that mutual friend met the new wife months before we got divorced and were already planning to get married while he was still married. No wonder he was halfway committed to our marriage until we stopped trying. I watched it fall apart while he was already building a life with someone else. 3 years after the divorce, I am still dealing with my childhood and my divorce trauma.